यूट्यूब चैनल से और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में और स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स के बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे अभी। और स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स गिव निफ्टी इंडिकेट्स ए फ्लैट ओपनिंग, यूएस मार्केट गेन एशिया मिक्स। Sensex Today stock market live update. US stock rose on Thursday after 2 days of decline as Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs shares shoot up following upbeat quarterly result, while Taiwan-based chipmaker TSMC's blockbuster result boosts share of US chipmaker. Trade setup for January 16. Top 15 things to know before the opening bell. The index is expected to get a firm direction only after it conveniently breaks the 25,600 to 25,900 range on either side. Sensex Today, Wall Street ends higher bank gain following result shifts rally with TSMC. US stock rose on Thursday after 2 days of decline as Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs shares with the following upbeat quarterly result, while Taiwan-based chipmaker TSMC blockbuster result boosted share of US chipmakers. The dozen industrial average rose 291.81 points or 0.60% to 49,442.44. The S&P 500 gained 17.87 points or 0.26% to 6,944.47, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 58.27 point or 0.25% to 23,530.02. Market on Wednesday, Sensex slips 245 PTS, Nifty below 25,700, amid volatility mid small cap sign. Indian market index lower in a volatile range-bound session on January 14 as weakness in auto, IT, and realty stock offset strength in metal, PSU, banking, and oil and gas counter. Investors stayed on the sidelines ahead of the US Supreme Court decision on the legality of the President Donald Trump's tariff measures. At close, the Sensex was down 244.98 points or 0.29% at 83,382.71, and the Nifty was down 66.70 points or 0.26% at 25,665.60. Market was shut on Thursday, January 15 on account of municipal corporation election in Maharashtra. Border indices outperforms the main index with BSC, mid-cap and small-cap indices ended in the green. Tata Steel, NTPC, ONGC, Axis Bank, Hindelco Industrial among major gainer on Nifty, while loser are Tata Consumer, TCS, Asian Paints, Maruti Suzuki. Hull on the sectoral front, metal, PSU, bank, power, oil and gas index up 0.52%, while auto, IT, realty down 0.5 to 1%.